Welcome. If you're curious about your Facebook page relationships and want to see your history on a PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to find your page relationships history on Facebook, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll see a list of your profiles and pages. Select the page for which you want to check the relationship's history. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo at the top right corner. This will bring up more options specific to your page. Now look for the Settings and Privacy option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings dashboard for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of settings categories. Scroll down and find Activity Log. Click on it to open up your page's activity history. Inside the activity log, you'll see several filters and options. Look for Relationships and click on it. This section will show you the complete history of your page's relationships, including any changes to admins, roles, or linked accounts. You can browse through the timeline to see all the updates and modifications that have occurred over time. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily access your page relationships history on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful for page owners and admins who want to keep track of changes or review past activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.